1, 1, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm Clare Wheeler, your vocal resident pro. Welcome to this month's video. This is on transposition. One thing that we mentioned in the last video is that often an octave might be too much to move as the pitch of a song. And so in transposing, we're actually choosing a different key, and you'll usually find that somewhere around a third or a fourth is the amount that you would want to move a song to get it in the right key. And so, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. 1, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's take that into a key that is a bit more in the middle. Let's take that into G. So now I know that all I have to do is find those same intervals, and I know that I'm starting on 1, which will be G. 1, 1, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so if you've been listening to someone sing a song, or there's something that you love and you've always wanted to sing it, so you want to perform it, you can use this to get it into a key that you sound your best in, because ultimately that means you're going to do your best and it's going to gain your confidence.